What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. What do we have here? We have on this beautiful day the wheels that I were talking about that I recently bought for the Corvette. These are the VMS wheels. Yeah, this wind is blowing. I hope it ain't messing up my video. So what we're going to do now is we are going to open this box. Yep, you heard it right. We are going to open this box. This sun is crunk, so I got to make sure I'm standing in the right direction. But let's open this box and see what these bad boys look like. And the reason why I'm anxious to open the box is because when I ordered these, they said they were out of stock. But then all of a sudden when I pitched a fit, because I got them off eBay, when I pitched a fit, they were like, oh, we got them in stock, because they were trying to give me some different ones that wouldn't have matched my car. So that was no bueno. So what we're gonna do now is definitely open these boxes up and see which ones they got. I know y'all don't wanna see me crack this box open because it looks like it's gonna take some time. So let's sit this damn camera down. So that took a little less time than I thought. So let's open these up. These are the black rim. The ones that they tried to give me was the polished ones. That would not have matched my front wheel, my rear wheels. But I bought the other ones. So, you know, it's the same old story. Once you pitch a fit, they're gonna tell you, oh, well, these are the last ones. So let's see what this wheel looks like. It is super skinny. If this wheel is chrome, I'm gonna be mad as hell. I like how they put the band around it. Ooh, funky. It is funky. Oh my God, they look good. Oh my God. I sure hope them lug nuts is in the other box. Man, these bad boys look good. They are going to look good on the 66 Corvette. Finally, a full drag pack. Look how thin they are. And they are light, by the way. I think they are about 17 pounds. You put tires, 17 pounds with tires, I think. Oh man, they look good. I was always worried about the writing on the wheels, but I'm like, hey, the weld wheels have writing on it too, and those look good. So let's take a chance. Kind of feel like I need to look at my wheels to make sure, because I pitched the fit, and I would be that would be bad if my wheels are actually the chrome plated ones, and I done went and got the wrong ones. I don't think that's the case though. No, they are black. Thank goodness. Because that would have been awful. That would have been awful. All right, so let's open the other one up. And I lost my razor blade. That ain't good. That's a good way to get cut up once you find it. But I want to put this one back just like it was. So there it is. So let me do that real quick. I could not get that cloth back on to save my life. So we just went without. We got the box closed back up. Open this one. Why did I even need a razor blade to pop that open? All right, so the main thing that I'm looking for in this one, because I believe it should have came with the wheel lugs and all of that good stuff. Hope they in here. No wheel lugs. Boy, what in the world? I am gonna have to go look back at the ad. Maybe it didn't come with them. I could have swore it did. Wow. We're gonna go look back at the ad and see if they came with the wheel lugs. They did not come with the wheel lugs, the valve stem. And I think I'm actually going to put TPMS sensors in these just to make everything happy with the nannies. Why not? If they'll work, I'll put them in. So anyway, these are my new drag pack. We're gonna go back and look at this order and make sure. I don't think they came with them, but I don't recall buying lug nuts and stuff separately. But we're gonna look it up. We're gonna look it up. These bad boys are clean. I love them. Anyway, that's about all I got for this video. I wanted to show y'all that. We're getting ready for 2024. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm still looking for these wheel nuts. This your boy. Peace.